my fans, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I still remain Master Emody Stanley. Yes, I am here to simplify chemistry for you, to make you like chemistry and at least like careers in chemistry. Is that okay? Yeah, this is something you can do. So let's go. Today we have a topic: solubility curve and cooling. Yeah, solubility curve and cooling. Now this is a curve. You can also call it a graph, right? But why we call it solubility curve is mostly it is if you are following it. That's why you use broomstick to do the curve because it's curve. But this one now is resulting to a straight line bar. So when you hear solubility curve, you know that it is a graph for solubility, and this is a graph of solubility against temperature. That's what we plot for. Now, if you remember, the same way that temperature affects the solubility of substances, if you increase the temperature of a substance, it will tend to dissolve more, so the solubility increases. The same way, when a solution is cooled, what will happen? Some of the substances already dissolved will come out. They will not dissolve again, they will crystallize out. So this is where this question is pointing at. So look at the question. It says, from the diagram above, the mass of crystal deposited when 1 dn cube of a saturated solution of sodium chloride is cooled from 80 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius is that, right? That is the question. So let's go back to the curve. Let's go back to the graph. Now the graph said, now this is the side for what? Solubility. Now according to the graph, from 80, this is already a done graph given to you in an exam for you to now plot. Is that clear? So according to what they plot in the graph, at 80 degrees Celsius, trace it. The solubility is what? 10. Is that clear? Now at 70, yeah. At 70, it is trace it. It is what? 9. At 70, it is 9. Now at 60, it is what? 8. Is that clear? Are you understanding what I'm showing you? Good. Now at 60, at 80, it is what? Solubility is what? Solubility is what? Is 10. Now at 60, it is what? It is 8. Remember? So now do the minus. Remember that this is a cooling process. So the solubility, which means that there is a solid in the liquid, solubility, this concentration reduced from 10 to 8. That means some solute content have left the solution, which is that salt, the one that crystallized that did no longer dissolve because it had been cooled. So 10 minus 8, that is 2. Are you there? So 2 moles of that content have crystallized out. So now, what is the molar mass of this salt, sodium chloride? Sodium is 23, chlorine is 35.5, that is 58.5. Is that clear to you now? So use this to times the mole that crystallized out. 2 times 58.5. That will give you what? 117, right? Which is what? Option A. This is clear, right? This is very simple. Option A. Now, you remember that the formula for solubility is what? The unit is mole per dm cube. So you can use the molarity formula. Molarity is what? Mass over molar mass, right? Mass over molar mass. That is the molarity formula. Remember, so it is also measured in what? In mole per dm cube. Molarity, solubility is mole per dm cube. Is that clear? So if they are asking you mass, you do molarity times molar mass, which is what you do. Molarity, which is solubility now, 2 times molar mass for 58.5. That is 117. So this is very clear to you. If you see this, you can answer it. So this is all about a cooling process, the mass deposited on cooling in a solubility curve. So extract, do the trace, use the graph to know the mole that was discharged or deposited, then use it and multiply the molar mass of that same salt, the solution of it. Hope this is very clear. You can always come back to my YouTube channel and find out more interesting topics that you may be missing or not like or you want to learn in chemistry. See you in the next video.